Hello guys, Noors here. So a couple of days ago, Samsung has posted the official Unpacked events trailer and the launch of the Galaxy Z Fold 4, Z Flip 4, Galaxy Watch 5 and Watch 5 Pro, and the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro on August the 10th. And Samsung launched a reserve page on their website which will give you the biggest reserve offer that they have ever given, and I'll provide the link in the description. This will give you up to $200 Samsung credits, and you don't need to get all of the products. You can reserve just one of them and you'll get credits. In specific, you will get $100 if you reserve either of the phones, Z Fold 4 or Z Flip 4, and $50 for the Galaxy Watch, and $30 for the Galaxy Buds. And if you get the three of them together, you'll be qualified to get the $200 credit. And this offer is exclusive from Samsung, and you won't get a deal like this anywhere else. Also on the Samsung website, you will get special colors. Also guys, this offer is in a limited time. So reserve your products now and get your credits. And if you didn't spend the credits while you're pre-ordering these products, you will receive an email of these credits within 35 days, so you'll be able to use them to buy other products on the Samsung website later. These are the news for today. Hope it was useful. Share the video with family and friends. And please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notification so you can get the latest news. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.